2024, the global freelance platform's market size was estimated at $5.58 billion, with popular AI-powered apps like UpWork, Freelancer.com, and TopTal contributing to its growth. This market is expected to grow at an annual rate of 17.7%. So, it is clear that entering this space will be a profitable venture for any business. If you are interested in building an AI-backed platform to search for freelancers, you are at the right place. In this demo video, we'll walk you through the AI-driven app to find freelancers and show you exactly how everything works. The app is designed to seamlessly connect users with top-tier freelance talent precisely when they need it. The first interaction with the user begins with onboarding. The process is clear, intuitive, and visually appealing. Users can log into their account with their credentials or leverage their existing Google, Apple, or Facebook credentials for a one-tap sign-in experience. First-time users can create a brand new account by providing basic details and setting a password. They will receive an OTP via email for authentication. When the user forgets their password, there's a secure process to regain access with email verification. Users can thoughtfully refine their requirements by selecting up to 3 specific freelance categories. This pre-filtering mechanism ensures that every search yields a highly curated selection of relevant professionals from the start. The app's intuitive home screen enables users to find what they are looking for. The powerful search functionality allows users to dive deep, exploring a diverse array of categories like video and animation, specialized fields like music and audio, and programming and tech. Users can start a conversation with freelancers using the app's messaging interface. There is also the option to place high-quality audio and video calls to communicate more effectively with the freelancers without needing to switch platforms. For users who prefer to explore or seek inspiration, the Explore section is a treasure trove, showcasing featured freelancers and trending talents. The search feature provides highly personalized recommendations with the help of AI, dynamically adapting to each user's activity and preferences. The user can filter the search results based on categories and budget for refined results. Users can take a detailed look at a freelancer's profile, which includes an About section, along with a Review and Portfolio section. By tapping on the service list, they can pick the service they require from the list of services offered by the freelancer. Users can effortlessly view the carefully structured packages offered by freelancers and select the one that they prefer. They can stay well-informed with real-time notifications on every update of project progress and visually track their ongoing projects with clear, intuitive statuses like progress, revisions, and finished. The app also features a user-friendly settings section. Users can edit their profile details, change their password, adjust notification settings, and review essential legal and policy documentation. They have complete control over their account. Users can choose their preferred language for a localized experience and select secure payment options to streamline the entire process. Overall, this AI-driven app for finding freelancers is user-centric, robust, and scalable with intelligent design. If you want to build a similar app, reach out to us. We at Idea Usher will be happy to help you. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team, with over 10+ years of experience, delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000+ happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.